Where does that go? What color is it?
Silver.
Is it brown?
Wow.
Mm-hmm. Very nice, Nigel. Thank you for putting all of them back together.
Will house be clean?
Well, yes, my house is clean. Thank you. You're doing it so my house can be clean?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I don't want our house to get all dirty.
You don't want it to get dirty? Thank you, Nigel. What color is that? What is that?
Red.
What is that? A red what?
Chloe.
It looks like a red wagon.
Wow.
See if it matches. Does it match? You did it! High five!
I get the book.
You want to get a book? Okay, go ahead.